Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix please contact iTunes Pro to complete this transaction when creating account. If you are trying to create a new Apple ID but you're facing the issue that whenever you try to add your payment method into your Apple ID, you see an error that please contact iTunes Pro to complete transaction. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you just have to go back, open your settings app here, go for general, go for VPN and device management. And you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Your payment method is location-based content, and your VPN affects location-based content. So you have to disconnect with your VPN, then go to date and time setting and enable the toggle to set your date and time automatically. Then go back, go to language and region, select region, and select your own country or region in which you're living. Once you have selected, you have to simply go back from here, go to software update section, and you have to try to update your software if you find pending update here. Once you updated your software, you have to retry or you have to recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not to do that, you have to quickly press the volume up and volume down, press and hold your power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And here, once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry or recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, open your settings app here, go for general, and here just go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings when the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network setting, it will be fixed in the step and you will not get the issue again. Or if you are still facing the same issue, so there's the only way, you just have to open your browser here and just simply search for Apple Support. So here, open the first website. Just select your device. Let's say I'm going to select iPhone from here. Now just scroll down and look for the option of Get Support. Here's the still need option. Just tap on this, get started here. It will be open in your Apple Support app if you have Apple Support app. Now from here, you just have to select this more option, then scroll down and look for iTunes Store. Just select iTunes Store here. Select Get More Help, then tap on Call Us. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.